Okay guys, we're back. This is part 3 of the full wrap, and in today's video we're gonna wrap the fenders. In today's video. Coming up next. Okay guys, this is the fender for the Supra. The fender is a little bit smaller than other cars, but if your car has a bigger fender, it's gonna be the same process. The only difference that the sheet to wrap the fender is gonna be bigger. Okay, so let's start with the wrap. Also check out Vinyl Frog. This is the brand I'm using for the wrap. The color of the wrap is Miami blue. This is the website, vinylfrog.com. The link for this material, they have more options and it's very good quality and super shiny. Link on the description of the video. Okay, let's start with installation. First, I'm gonna take some measurements so I'm sure of the size of the sheet. So I don't want to waste no material. And here I have my sheet to install on the fender. Make sure that you cover everything, that you clean everything real good before you install this one. You don't want no dust on your fender. So I always like to start from the top. Here I'm cutting the extra vinyl and I'm using the squeegee to wrap the vinyl on the side. Here I'm doing a relief cut because it's pulling on that side, cutting the excess vinyl and using the squeegee, tucking the material on the sides here, and I'm cutting the wrap here, but I'm leaving like a 1/8 of an inch extra to tuck on the sides. Okay, so let's continue here, cutting the excess material and using the squeegee to wrap all the way to the bottom, like I'm doing here. Remember to push the material all the way down, and in here I'm cutting the material, but I'm not cutting right at the edge. I'm leaving like a 1/8 of an inch extra of wrap so I can tuck it on the bottom, and also here I'm cutting extra to tuck it on the side. Use the heat gun for the corner like this, and then I'm gonna cut the excess vinyl and tuck it under this plastic. Okay, here I'm tucking the material under the plastic right there, using the heat gun to make the material soft and wrap around this edge of the fender. Okay, use the heat gun, tuck the material on the side, and as you can see, it's not that hard, it's super easy, it's going pretty good, and just like that, it's done.
Memorize my number like it's all you know.
Okay, the fender is done. You can see it. I'll show you the corners. Look at this. Look at that. Here in the bottom. You can see it's hard to see a little bit, but let me open the door. Look at that. So this one is done and it looks great. So this one is an easy one to do. So now in the next video we're gonna do the doors, both doors, and the bottom bottom side skirt. I think this is called side skirt, but that one on the bottom on the next video. Okay guys, the fender is done. It looks great. So let me know if you have a question, put in the comments. So in the next video we're gonna do the doors and the side skirt, the bottom part of the doors, okay, on the next video. Okay, so hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the video. But if you have a question, put it in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and see you on the next video. Okay guys, the winner for the giveaway, I'm gonna put the comment over here. Congratulations to the winner. Contact me on Instagram or Facebook or through my website, or you can send me an email. My email is in my about page of my YouTube channel. Okay, so that's the winner. Congratulations to the winner. Thank you for the support. Okay, and on the next video we're gonna announce the next giveaway for you guys. Okay, just be careful with the scammers. I will never ask for money, or I don't have a Telegram. Okay, this is only for the USA subscribers, and we're gonna have a new dashcam giveaway on the next video. Okay, thank you guys for the support. Thank you for liking the video and supporting the channel. God bless you, and see you on the next video.